To the very latest, and this is in regard to the BRS versus the Congress, and this is with K. Kavita. They're attacking the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy and its government, saying that no poll promises have been delivered by the Congress party, and it's the Telangana people who have been deceived by the Congress party. Those are the allegations that are being made by K. Kavita. Do remember that before Women's Day, she was in fact asking for that 2,500 rupees, that was promised to women should be paid to women before Women's Day, and that is what K. Kavita had been asking for. So now K. Kavita is saying that none of the promises have been fulfilled by the Congress party while hitting out at Revanth Reddy and his administration. Let's listen in to what she had to say.
It's very unfortunate that our State Chief Minister, Mr. Revanth Reddy Garu, had yesterday in national media commented that our state is financially not doing great and he's not even able to spend 500 crores on capital expenditure per month. It's an unfortunate effort of this Chief Minister to malign the reputation of KCR Garu, who ruled 10 years before him. But the matter of the fact is, this state government is getting a brilliant revenue of 18,800 crores and they're only spending 6,000 crores on the entire state expenditure. Rest of 12,000 crores is still pending with them, and they're already spending more than 3,000 crores per month on the capital expenditure.
Right, so we just heard K. Kavita there, of course, attacking the Congress party and its governance in the state of Telangana, saying that, enough money is there and that is really not being spent. And none of the promises that were made, those poll promises, election promises that were made, haven't been fulfilled. So no poll promises have been delivered as far as the Congress party is concerned. And she has gone on to attack the Congress party, saying that the people of Telangana are being deceived by the government of the Congress in Telangana. Let's just get my colleague Mohammad Feroz there, of course. Mohammad Feroz Khan, the General Secretary of TPCC, joining us. Thank you so much for speaking with us, sir. K. Kavita, they're attacking the administration, the Congress party, saying that none of the poll promises have been delivered yet. Your reaction?